Just letting your back relax, your arms sink into the blanket. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. You can tap the elbows forward just a little bit. Let that stretch, lengthen underneath the arm. Feel the sit bones moving back. Your hips, your back, lengthening. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You can straighten up the arms. And walk the fingers over to the right. All the way over, hip off the mat. Finding the length through that left side body. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to the other side. Good. Just letting it breathe right into the low back. Inhale. Long exhale out through the mouth. Great. Inhale, come back to center. Awesome. Good. And then take the blanket out. I'm going to take it out for you. And then turn the palms upward. You're going to bring the little pinkies to touch, opening up the hands, letting the head drop through, letting the shoulders expand up onto the back. Excellent. Good. We'll take another 3 breaths there. Put those to the side. One more breath. Good. Head comes up. Inhale. Exhale, come to all fours. Spread the fingers out, knees right underneath the hips. Just cat-cow. Play with the movement. You can explore and experiment up and down with your breath. Inhale. You like yoga too? Yeah. Inhale. Lengthen through the chest, back through the sit bones. Exhale. Spread out the wings, the back. You get some movement, rocking forward and back with the shoulders. Oh my goodness. Inhale. Exhale. Be more like that. Inhale. It's all about connecting with the breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Great. So then stabilize the shoulders right over the wrists. Tuck the toes under and just cover the knees. Yeah. Feel the engagement of your center, your core. You can rock a little bit. Feel the hips move back and the chest move forward. Push the ground away from you. And then up you go into your down dog. You can play a little wider for the first one. And bent knees, I tend to really explore with this movement through the body, through the heart, through the hips. And then push back into the shoulders, tippy toes, grab way up onto those toes, good. And then just gently turn and press into the feet, good. Let the head hang, spread the shoulders wide. Sinking into that left foot, check out the head, spread the shoulders out, palms nice and firm. Inhale back to center. Exhale, other side. Sometimes that exhale through the mouth Here's one, especially right at the beginning, gives us this moment of like, a release.